maar weer uit?
Ja, laat hem nog weer even eruit lopen als je wil. Automatic opening of the machine by remote control. There are 9 block pallets inside, 1 meter times 1 meter 20. The small side 1 meter, they're being loaded. The pallets can be 1 meter 60 high. One time we drive the train out. Basically the machine is from 96 or something like that when the vessel has been built. In 2006 has been made a complete skid to put it on the trailer with a new bush pump, which is very efficient, and the 2 compressors are from the original state, but they're working very well. Here you see the train, here you see the vacuum vessel with the evaporators on the side, with a chain belt system on the bottom, which you can see here, which is working well. We can pull it in, we can push it out. The belt system is going in the back. Here we have the evaporation. The height of the chamber is roughly 1 meter 80. You can put in pallets of 1 meter 60. There's a safety cord on the top in case somebody is in the machine. You see it here mounted on the trailer.
Ik ga handschoentjes.
Groetjes. You see the condenser on top. Here we have the machine room, which you can enter very simply from the side. The Bush vacuum pump is very suited for the job. It's built in 2006. As far as I can see, it's in very good condition. It doesn't have any problems with the oil. Mechanical opening and closing of the valves. Here and here for inflation and deflation. We see here the control panel. And a control panel is very simple. You control only by pressure. You have 2 possibilities. You have here the first pressure indicator is start of the compressor, and the second one is the final temperature. When you've reached the final temperature inside, there is a setting where we place it on 5 minutes delay after the final pressure has been released. It's also a 5-minute delay when you push the start button for starting up. That's for the pump to start running in case there is some water left. The water will go out, and basically it's only start and stop. That's all
Here
you do.
we have the sensor. Here we can set the delay when vacuum is reached, and here we can set the maximum time that the machine is running.
Here you see the liquid vessel. There in the back you see the 2 compressors. The 2 compressors are based on R22. It's still the old refrigerant. It's not complicated to build them over to 404A if requested, but as long as the system is tight and closed, you can still run with the machine. The compressors are relatively old. This is still the original one, probably around 20 years old. This one is renewed, but when one of the compressors is breaking down, you can easily replace it also with a new one or a revised one. Each compressor has roughly 100 kilowatts of cooling power, which means you have a total of 200 kilowatts, which is perfectly for 2,000 kilos of salads, 4,000 kilos of celery, or 8,000 kilos of soil to cool. And basically with this machine, if you have salads, you will have a cycle time of roughly 20 to 30 minutes. If you have celery, you will have a cycle time of 30 to 50 minutes. And if you have soil to cool down, you will have a cycle time of 40 to 60 minutes.